What is your fondest mind in the making memory?
My fondest memory, there's many, but I would have to say it's the baby shower. And that was a cohort we were doing with a great group. It was a 16-hour class, 8 2-hour sessions. And in the 7th session, the group decided they wanted to have a baby shower for a young couple in the class.
Oh,
And we planned the whole thing. We brought refreshments and gifts, and everybody brought a book for the baby to start the baby's library. And it was a young couple, and we even had balloons on their chairs and everything. And they sat down to start. And about 5 minutes into it, she said, "Are we having a party tonight?" And she still didn't connect the dots that it was for her. And they were just
oh,
so overwhelmed with the care and compassion and connection that the group had for them. And it truly was the group's idea. And that's how we closed out that cohort. It was really a beautiful story of care, compassion, connection. That would definitely be one of the many highlights.